I thought about naming this video How to Make Music with AI, but I respect you all too much to make a clickbait title like that. So I wanted to talk about AI music generators because a couple of companies that make them have offered me sponsorships for doing videos, and I wanted to be transparent about what kind of stuff they're offering small creators like me, because I see other small channels making videos about these products, and every time I see them I kind of wonder why, after seeing what kind of stuff they're offering people with low follower counts. It's usually something like a license for the year to the paid version of their software. Occasionally it's a small amount of money, but it's usually an amount that would cover less than minimum wage for the hours it takes to make one video. Even a video like this that doesn't have much editing in it. So I don't really understand the purpose of selling out your followers for so little. Maybe if they were offering you a few $1 million, it would be a tougher question. But in the context that I'm seeing it, it's a no-brainer to not make the video. Secondly, I wonder why it is that they're reaching out to music production accounts like mine about these products, because they are basically removing the only part of music making that's fun and replacing it with this, like, you get to be a project manager with a team of people that don't know what they're doing because they aren't people. And you get to replace the fun part of music making with essentially prompting a computer program to make something that's closer to what you want without ever quite getting there. There's a couple things I don't understand about that. First of all is the fact that this does remove the only part of music making that I think is fun. And that's a sort of a selfish account, because I understand other people probably enjoy the part where you get to listen to the song you made afterward. I do want to remind you, if you're using these programs, that you didn't make the song. The programmers and the musicians that created the material that the application uses to build the song from your prompt made the music. It's not yours. Aside from it taking the fun out of music, the things that are weird to me about this are the fact that if you're not doing the music for fun, you're either doing it as a form of self-hatred or you're doing it for money. And if you're doing it for money, I have some bad news for you. Every other industry is more profitable than music. It's just the wrong place to be if your end goal is money. If you make a bunch of money with music, that's awesome. But even if you do, you're making less money than if you got lucky in another field. If this is about efficiency with generating content and spitting out more stuff with your name on it to try and monetize it, you should consider going into another field. We don't really want you here, and neither do the people that are listening to music. Anyone that likes listening to music would rather listen to music that's by an artist they can learn about, maybe go see in concert. We know that already because people want to go see DJ producers live. They're literally just standing up there and pressing play on their laptop. We have a bunch of boomers that complain about that. I think it's cool though. They're saying, hey, I made this. I spent thousands of hours doing this on my computer, and I care about it so much, and I know you all do too, that I brought that computer to this concert hall, club, stadium to press play, and we get to listen to it together. And I think that's special. I get why old school people don't care for it. They think of music as being stuff that you make with instruments, but they haven't made music in a computer yet, I think, because it's really fun to do. If you didn't make the music at all, then why does anyone need to care? I would get it if it was making music that was unique or special or a step above what humans are capable of making. But it's making music that's a step below that, because it's stitching together pieces of music that humans made and trying to do it in a way that is safe and that works based on the specifications that have been provided by the programmers. And it's an incredible feat of technology. A lot of the ideas that go into that technology are valuable and are used in other things that you enjoy, like it or not. But this is the wrong context for it. I just don't really understand the point of it. It takes away the fun, replaces it with busy work, and then takes away any pride you might have from your finished product, and replaces it with, oh, I might have used Suno, I might have used a little bit of AI in this, which I perceive as shame. It's not like crushing shame, but it's shame nonetheless, and that's sad. If you find enjoyment in using these programs, I think you should take a look at yourself and think about why. Why is telling something what to do and having it sort of do it without questioning you fun? That sounds like a personal problem to me. I'd love to hear what some of your thoughts are on this, because it's everywhere right now. I am constantly seeing creators making videos promoting these products, and they're just peddling the worst music I've heard in a long time. And their followers are just kind of looking at it saying, hey, if this person's doing it, maybe it's okay for me to do it too. And it's all kind of a poisoned well. So even though some of these apps are generating their own training material, they're still basically paying people a salary to let you call their music yours. I don't know why you'd want to do that. Before I wrap up the video, I wanted to shout out a quick thank you to all the people that follow this channel and have sent me an email linking to an album they made after watching some of my tutorial videos. Every single one of you is making music that I think is much more interesting and that I would much rather listen to than some of the sloppy stuff that is coming out of these apps. I hope some of you make some beautiful music today. Have a nice day and happy music making.